Here's the 90, the hybrids year update. Go through and tell you the names and all that, because they're going to be with us for a while, so we named them. I'll start off with spots. Pretty fish. Fin's a little messed up from a red devil upstairs, but it'll all heal. Let's see. Got Smooth right behind him. No pearls, just solid fader. Got this ugly fader in the back. There's no name. He just, I don't know, he just started fading and ain't got much color to him. Got this little fader. Small. Got this non-fader here, no name. Let's see. Got this big guy. He's a non-fader, but I got some pretty big hopes for him. He's gonna be a pretty big fish. I got Pox right here. Minus the chicken, just Pox. And I got Jack, looking like a Jack Dempsey, but I actually think it's a female, so I call her Jackie. And I got Tyson right here. Wait till he turns to the side. See, he's got nice color. Come on, man, I'm not wasting all this footage on you. Well, here's another hybrid. Hasn't faded yet. Let's see. Here's Teardrop. Names are real unique, but they have reasoning. Come on, Teardrop, turn to the other side so they can see your tears. I'll catch them a little later. Let's see, who else is there? There's this guy. Didn't give him a name. He's not bad looking, but I guess if I didn't have spots, it would be the next runner up. There's Tyson. Oh, look at this guy, Frankenstein, right here. He's gonna have some beautiful color when he gets done and mature. And here's another. Well, wait, Knuckles. I forgot about him. He got a nice size to him. He's got some orange pearls on him. He's getting punked by a female. That's the second time I've seen that happen for him. Here goes Tyson. Yeah, there you go. Show off for him. Anyway, that was Tyson. Yeah, everybody's got some color. Teardrop again. Look at the other side. There we go. You see the drops. Go in the light. There we go. You can see them. But yep, beautiful fish. Not yet done growing. Oh, forgot my female Crushy. Yeah, she's dark. She's faded under her mouth, on her gills. You can see it a little bit. There we go. But that's the only spot she's faded at. She's gonna be very pretty as well. Yep. Oh, Pox. So I got this female here. Pox. It's gonna be breeding. I got this female here. Spots. And Jackie. Probably put her with something. This isn't Mr. Head. This is another female red devil. Had grew out and got back. There's Jackie. Yep. Gonna be some interesting babies, to say the least, come from these fish that I decide to breed. But if you stay tuned, you'll see it all.